Welcome to part 2 of my Christmas decorations 2024. As I shared in part 1, my inspiration in decorations this year are bells. And as you can see on the stair railing there, I do have bells. Bells, bows, and garland. Give you a bird's eye view of the bells. Okay, I'll move around, and there is Mr. Snowman. And the candle holders there, Noel and Joy. The messaging on those candle holders. And there is my skiing reindeer, all ready for the winter snow. Christmas trees there are from Decorator's Warehouse in Arlington, Texas, that trip that I made with my sister. So now we'll go down to my next level, the lower level. As you can see on the railing here, more bells and bows. Actually, I'll move down and give you a bird's eye view because you don't have a good view as I was walking down the stairs. But you can see that I also have bells on this decoration as well. Inspiration, it's bells. Bells, bells, bells. I'll move over first to my exercise area. And it's simply decorated. As you know, my style is very simplistic. So I have a small Christmas tree there. Just to look at as I am exercising. And Christmas tree on the credenza there, and of course my weights. So this is where I do my workout routine. I'll move on. And stockings. Velvet stockings there. Not hung by the chimney, of course, but on the partition. Message says joy. And this is our darts chess area. And the dart machine there is interactive. I tell you, it says some of the craziest things. It's a hoot. And my grandkids love it, though. Just a few Christmas items on the shelf there. Let it snow. Merry and bright. I'll go into my lower level restroom here. The colors that I chose this year are chocolate and a dark red, a deep red, almost burgundy color. It's like a chocolate and mint. I collect Santas, as you know, and I have a conglomerate of Santas. I didn't put many out this year because on one year I did decorate with Santas for the holiday. All the way, jingle all the way. And as you can see, my Christmas bear is on the bench in the shower. And you wonder, why is he on the bench in the shower? Won't he get wet? Nope. Water doesn't reach that area. It's just for sitting on. Chocolate gifts. And chocolate and deep red towels. I'll pan around. Give you another look at my chocolate and deep red restroom. As I share it with you in my first video, part 1 of 2024, I shared that I'm using quite a bit of red this year. Merry Christmas, that message says on the ledge of the wine room. Holiday gifts, red and white. This is the gaming theater area. There's Flossie and Floyd, my holiday rabbits, my Christmas rabbits, and they are from Christmas Around the World. I don't decorate my husband's office, as you know. I've shared that in other videos. I only decorate my office. Grapevine Christmas trees there. I do collect toy soldiers also. And I put just a few out this year. Just a few. I'll move over to the popcorn table. My grandkids come over and thoroughly enjoy making popcorn and ice cream floats. Red bows on the garland above my windows. Pan down, and there are more Christmas gifts, red and white gifts. As I mentioned, I used an abundance of red. We'll move into the media area, my theater area, and now I'm using burgundy, true burgundy, and black. As you can see, the pillows there. On the table, in the sleigh, are some pretty unique bulbs, and actually they look like balls of yarn, but it's actually metal, and they're pretty heavy as well. Some bells. As I mentioned, bells throughout my home this year, thanks to Diane Kennedy. She started that by giving me a bell last Christmas. I have bells on this tray as well. And there's a black deer, black reindeer. There's my nostalgic record player. It's shaped like the dashboard, or it is a replica of the dashboard of a Mustang. My kids go, "Mom, who uses vinyl albums anymore?" And I say, "I do. Your dad and I thoroughly enjoy playing records, old records." And let's take a look at the Christmas village. The stars there are actually candles from Pottery Barn. And that pine cone is actually a candle, and that's from Pottery Barn as well. I do have some real pine cones there, but as you can see, the candles that are shaped like pine cones, again, Pottery Barn. And this Christmas tree is a candle as well. And of course, it's from Pottery Barn. And there is my burgundy and black Christmas tree. A couple of black reindeer in front. Merry Christmas. Joy. Happy holidays. There's Flossie, my Christmas bunny, sitting at the edge of the table there. And that toy shop there, that's Christmas Around the World. And so is Flossie. She's from Christmas Around the World as well. The two snowmen there, I have to put out. They're my granddaughter's favorite, and she always wants me to put them out, whether she's here or not. So there you have my media area, my theater area. Burgundy and black Noel. I'll pan around to give you a bird's eye view. Peace to you this holiday season. As I mentioned, I collect Santas, and I didn't put them out, very many out this year, because I did on one year do a Santa theme, and I had many Santas out. The elf made me do it, says that sign there. There you have my lower level gaming theater area. Garland over the arch above my wine room with an angel there. And another view of my interactive darts area. Darts, and my husband and I enjoy playing chess. He's always the winner, but sometimes I do let him win. Well, I thank you for visiting, and I hope that some of my decorating techniques have inspired you as you began your holiday decorating, your Christmas decorating. My style is very simplistic, and my sister's style, who you will see or have viewed her video, she's very creative, and you will find that her style is very different from mine. Again, I thank you for visiting, and have a very safe and joyous holiday season. See you next time.